Welcome aboard FinData's application process. Before submitting your application, please pay close attention to the following instructions. First, ensure that your data needs are thoroughly identified. To do this, have a moment to think. What specific data do you need to solve your questions, and which registers hold this data? We recommend utilizing the Data Resources Catalog to identify the relevant data holders and registers. In the event of loss of understanding, use the application assistant to identify the responsible authority. FinData is always a good place to start. There are several important steps when applying. Please take a moment to prepare a detailed extraction plan. Define your target group, for example, individuals with a specific diagnosis. Identify the registers holding relevant data, such as healthcare visits. Specify the variables required to answer your research questions. Keep the focus on essential data, following the principle of minimization. Second, please keep in mind that the total price consists of 4 components: permit decision fees, data extraction costs from data holders, working hours used by FinData for pre-processing data, and secure processing environment fees. Third, ensure you have all the required documents. These can include a research plan that explains your objectives and methods, privacy notice on the usage of data, a clear and precise data extraction description. The application form is located in FinData's e-service. Please select the appropriate application form and make sure to include applicant and billing details, a clear description of the purpose of use, supporting documents like your study plan, a detailed data extraction description. Once submitted, we will review the application and get back to you. Stay prepared to answer any follow-up questions. Remember that all individual level data must be securely stowed in a secure processing environment. Under secondary use law, it is strictly prohibited to use data for other purposes than specified in the permit. We will be ready to receive your application. If you need additional guidance, please don't hesitate to contact our crew by email or by booking a time for personal consultation. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant application experience with FinData.